Traders, and welcome back to my channel. Anthony here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you another exciting two indicators that will help you in your trading journey. And these two indicators are free, and I will be sharing them in the description box below, so you can have access to download them and try them out. And comment in the comment box and let us know how you see the indicators and how they are helping you in your trading career. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Today we'll be checking out these two indicators. One is MACD, which is below, and the other one is Supertrend. And as you know, as a trend trader, I like to trade indicators, combine them, that will give me clarity in the market and help me to reduce false market signals, which at the end of the day is what makes trading worthwhile, because you'll be able to catch a reasonable amount of pips per trading day in order to make something out of the market. So now I want to show you the settings of this indicator, so that when you have it, you will know what to do with it. You can see this non-repenting super trend. It will give you alert. So if you want to have alert on your trading terminal, this works mainly for MetaTrader 4. So with time, I'm going to develop the version which will work for MetaTrader 5. So, but this particular indicator, if you download it, don't use it in MetaTrader 5, use it in MetaTrader 4. So, as you can see, we're using a period which is a 10. You can play with the period and the multiplier. So, it's flexible. You have access to change the settings. You can, if you want to make the period 12, you can make it 12, and you see, the moment you make it 12, you will see there are changes that will apply on the charts. So for this training, I'm going to be using settings of 10, which is basically the default settings that comes with the indicator. And as I said, you have also opportunity to set this to receive an email. Okay, it will give you a sound alert once the indicator is on the chart, so you will be able to see, and you get the message to know that it's telling you to buy or it's telling you to sell. Basically, the signals are for you to decide what to do. It's not like it's mandating you to buy or to sell, but this will give you the opportunity to know that the indicator is predicting, because indicator is only predicting, is helping us to do the mathematical calculation on the background to predict the direction of the market. That does not mean that it's 100%. No indicator or trading system is 100%. So this you need to bear in mind and know it, that as far as trading is concerned, we are trying to predict the future using the calculation of the back calculations of the candles that happens in the market. Then we use that to get idea of how the price will move in the future. So this is for the non-trending super trend. Okay, the next indicator is this MACD. This MACD is using default settings, but the code, there is a high, which is a bit of when you are dealing with the coding aspect of indicator, there are some filters that were added to this MACD, but the basic settings remains the default settings of the MACD. So which you can as well play with these settings as well, and you will be able to change this indicator. Let's assume we are making this 12, and we decide to make this one 28. Okay, and we leave the signal as 9. You will see there is a movement on the indicator, okay, because the settings have changed. But for this training, I will be using the default settings, which is 26. So, but you have the flexibility to check and make changes on the settings. That is up to you. So how do we trade with this indicator? The trading strategy is very simple. What we wait for first is to see that our super trend, because super trend is what gives us the directional bias, whether we are in the uptrend or in the downtrend. So we use the MACD to decide where we enter the trade. So if the super trend is telling us that from here, let's take for example from this point in time on the chart, we see that the super trend is telling us that the price is going to go down, and we look here at the MACD. The MACD gives us a signal showing that price is going to go down. So this is what we look for. We know that, okay, now we have our bias that the price is going to go down. So what do we do? What I usually do is I place two horizontal lines, okay, and I wait for price to break below this horizontal line. And as you can see, at this particular point, price break below the horizontal line. So I place my sell signal from this point, and I put my stop loss above the slight swing high, and my target is 1-to-1 for this signal. This trading strategy, I use it for scalping mainly, because the signals are not going to last for a long time. So I use this basically for scalping. So as you can see, when I enter this trade here, my stop loss is at this slight swing high, and my target is 1-to-1. So my target will be at this point. So I enter the trade here, and here is my stop loss, and you see at this point I take my profit. So I wait for another signal. Here I have here another signal telling me that this super trend is there, the market is about to go up. Okay, so what do? I place my horizontal line at this point, and I wait for price to break above. And if you see, this was where the price break above the horizontal line, and down here we have the MACD telling us that the market is going up. So here the MACD is giving us the directional bias that the market is going up, and here price has broken above our horizontal line. So remember our strategy. Where is the slightest low? Here we have here as our slightest swing low on this trade. So when we enter here, our stop loss is here, which is 32. Our take profit is 1-to-1. Here we take our profit. So at this point we take our profit. Then again, as I said, this is scalping strategy. So it's a little bit you need to put in time. If you are a scalper, you need to put in time in order to make something from the market. So we wait again for another signal. So as you can see here, we have a signal from the super trend telling us that the market is going to go down. So what we do, as usual, we place our horizontal line, two horizontal line here. Then here the MACD is also telling us the price is going to go down. Then we wait for price to break, and here you can see that the price at this point break below the horizontal line. So from here we enter our trade. Okay, going down. we place our stop loss. We place our stop loss at the slightest swing high. You can see this is the slightest swing high before the signal was shown on the chart. So when I enter from here to here is 42 pips. So our take profit is 42 pips. So we are trading 1-to-1. Our risk to reward ratio is 1-to-1. So again, we wait for another signal. Here you have a signal. The indicator is telling us that the price is going to go up. And if you look down here, the MACD is saying that the trend is still down. So we wait for this. Then we put our horizontal line here. Okay, we wait. We are waiting for when we get a confirmation from the MACD. So here the MACD is telling us that the price, that the market is changing from downward trend to upward trend. So at this point, we check to see if other parameters are valid. The Supertrend is still saying that the market is going up, and here the horizontal line, the price has broken above the horizontal line, and we have the MACD also pointing in the upward direction. So this fulfills our market analysis. So we have a valid signal, and our stop loss is at the slightest swing low. So we open our trade here. Okay, we place our stop loss here, which is 38 pips. Our take profit is 38 pips. So our take profit is here. So for this trade, we have already taken our profit. Then again, we continue to wait for another signal. This is the simplest way to use this trading strategy. So as I said, try to trade with it, experiment with it, and give us feedback. Let us know if there are other indicators you might want us to discuss, so that we can give more information on those indicators and share it with the community for everybody to try out. Our goal is to make sure that we equip the traders to be able to make some good trading decision and make money from the market. If you like our content, please try to subscribe. If you have subscribed, try to share the videos with others so that they will benefit from this community. Thank you.